You may have heard people say the US CMA is too difficult. Is this really true? The truth is that the US CMA is challenging but not impossible. With the right guidance and consistent efforts, thousands of students clear it every year, many during their BCom itself. The CMA exam is structured into just two parts. If you prepare smartly, dedicate a few hours every day, and get expert mentoring, you definitely can succeed. Remember, every professional qualification seems difficult until you start. With the right mindset, resources, and support system, success is well within your reach. So, is the CMA difficult? No, it's definitely achievable. And this could be the best decision of your career so far.